Hey, what's up, YouTube? I've seen a lot of videos about these Samsung TVs where they will work perfectly fine for a while and then they'll stop working and take forever to turn on. Well, I have one of those, as you can see right there. It's a 42-inch Samsung. And here lately, I'm having to take a hair dryer and stick it to the back of this thing and like blow on it for about 10 minutes for it to come on. I've taken it apart, and there's some capacitors in there that's bulging at the top and ready to pop, I guess you would say. I don't know. Well, I'm going to attempt to change these things and see if that's the problem. And if it isn't, well, hell, it's already messed up anyway, so why not? But yeah, we're going to go. Hey guys, uh, back here about this stupid Samsung TV here. Well, as you can see, I'm not sure if you can see this with a shitty camera, but right here, these capacitors, as you can see, they are about to pop. The ones right here, here, and I think one of these. Well, there's the board. Now, what I am going to attempt is taking these out and putting new in. But what I do have, oh hell, I done lost the part. My uncle's a TV repairer, man, or whatever, but he was a little intoxicated when he bought these parts, so I'm hoping they're going to work. If I can find them all. But anyway. Here you go. They are 35 volt, and the ones that are in here are 10 volt. So I don't see how the hell that's even going to work. But I guess we can try. So let me get these installed, and we'll see what happens. Hey guys, back here again with the Samsung TV. Here's the capacitor that came out of it. You can see that. Well, there was two of them in there that's kind of bulging. Well, I just replaced one just to see if that would work. And the one that is in it, to anyone out there, it's a 25 volt 1000 US, whatever that is. And I put in a 35 volt. Now, like I said before, I wasn't sure it was going to work, but there you go. It's back up and running every single time.
Or visit statefarm.com today.
Let's see.
Yes, in the upstate, we are covered. Get to a better state.
As you can
Get State Farm.
Turn it
Show your
off.
team pride and stay refreshed on the go with an NCAA iPhone bottle opener case, and with GetMyPerks.com, it's half off. This case comes in your choice of 21 different college teams and includes a special
Right back
app.
on.
Grab your deal at GetMyPerks.com.
Every single time. Don't have to wait 45 minutes for it to turn it
It's gonna
on.
be our high for tomorrow. Candlebox up next. Here's Imagine Dragons. The song is called Radioactive. If it rocks,
There you go.
it's 93.3
Problem fixed.
Planet.
So, if anybody's having that problem where your TV is cutting off or cycling before it comes on, you might want to replace those. But, yeah guys, stick around for another video. Subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff. Thumbs up, and stay tuned for a lot more videos. Alright guys.